So turn on the coffee maker, the espresso maker. When the lights turn green, that means that the Capresso is ready for the coffee. Then select which filter you want to use, 1 or 2 cups. Insert the one that you want to use. Like this. Perfect. 1 cup, 2 cups. Then put coffee in it. Great. Insert the filter in, turn it. It doesn't need to be like totally aligned, even if it's like to be like before the middle, that would work, that's okay. And then you put the cups in, 1 or 2, and you turn left for coffee, and eventually right if you want to do the foam for cappuccino. And then you stop. Enjoy your coffee and enjoy your stay. Bye.